Well, let's start with the COVID numbers in the state of Karnataka. There was the highest single-day spike with 8,642 new cases being added, taking the state total to 2,49,590. After that highest single-day spike of 8,642 cases, in the city of Bengaluru, there were 2,804 cases added, bringing the city's total to 96,910, just under 1 lakh cases. So, of course, a lot of concern about the number of cases, but also it must be kept in mind that 1,64,150 people have in fact been discharged. That is also a very, very important point. Now, with so many cases, there's also been a change in guidelines for the containment zones. Currently, there are over 16,000 containment zones in the city of Bengaluru. These can range from a street to even a single house, a single dwelling can be a containment zone. And new guidelines were actually issued today, which talked about how these containment zones should be treated. First, of course, there should be no hard barricades. We had seen images earlier of hard metal sheets outside houses with a COVID positive patient. That will not happen again. That will certainly not happen again. So what is a containment zone? A containment zone could be the floor of an apartment in which one of the houses has a COVID positive patient. It could even be an individual house, an independent house which has a COVID positive patient, such as the one over there. There is COVID positive patients there, and as an independent house, it would also be declared a containment zone. In a slum, it would be the street of a slum that is declared as a containment zone. So given those definitions, in the city there are over 16,000 containment zones. Authorities will also paste a notice on the house of the COVID positive person and inform neighbours or the Residents' Welfare Association that such is the case. The buffer zone will be 200 metres from the house of the positive patient, and active surveillance will be carried out in the containment zone itself. It has to be a daily surveillance, and in the case of the buffer zone, it has to be twice a week.